Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So in order to do this, firstly you have to access Recents section. You can do this in two different ways depending on your navigation method. So if you have like 3 buttons navigation, you have like this home button, Recents button and the back button, and Recents button will be on the left or on the right side here. Or if you have the gesture navigation like me, what you have to do is to slightly swipe your finger up like this and hold it, and after that you will access this section. So here you can see all of your opened apps. In order to close them all at once, just tap on this cross icon and all apps will be closed immediately. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.